Yeah?
So, itong nakikita ko. Hindi ko pa rin siya mahanap. Dapat kasi huwag mong i-overthink.
What? Diba? Ano?
Bakit balik ka?
I've always wanted to go here.
Mabayad na rin ako na! Good morning, guys. I ended up in a random convenience store. I was supposed to do a mini hike today, mga 30 to 40 minutes up or 20 minutes ganun kapag mabilis ka. But it started raining and wala masyadong cafe sa area. So, I decided to ramyun this. Okay, so turns out, hindi lang pala naka-display yung umbrella. All you have to do is ask. It's raining, cats and dogs. Ginising ko na to ng maaga. So I guess, rain or shine, we are gonna hike that trail. Not really hike, walking trail siguro lang. Kasi parang sabi nila, madali lang eh. Honestly, it's my first time to go there, so I don't know where it is. Hindi siya masyadong lumalabas sa Naver Maps, but sa Google Maps lumabas siya, so ewan ko. We have the map here, pero I don't know where it is. Aakit ba ako dito? Or no? I think let's go na lang. Honestly guys, marami talagang parang trail here in Seoul. And minsan tabi-tabi sila. May trail na 3 km, may trail na pang beginner. Pero iisa lang yung papuntahan. Buti talaga kinain ko na yung noodles na yun. Kung hindi, baka hindi ako aabot dito. Wala pa. Wait lang. It's nice, oh. Ganda. So far, so good. I was supposed to bring JM and Ivan here with Justin Hanguk yung first day nila. Nung first day ni Ivan and ni JM dito nung June, ito dapat yung itinerary namin. This is a nice neighborhood, Buwamdong. I think if you watch my autumn vlogs, you would know. I think nasa likod to ng Gyeongbokgung Palace, tong neighborhood na to. And the locals really like it here. Maraming cafes na masarap ganun. And may fortress. And very historic din yung place. It's a nice walk. So, I've discovered this place, of course, through Justin Hanguk. And sabi niya, yung first day ni Ivan at saka ni JM dito, itutour namin sila sa neighborhood na to. Okay. Distracted na naman ako. Ang ganda! Ito siya. Guys, ito siya. Kita niyo ba si Namsan Tower? What? Sobrang ganda. Anyway, going back to my story, nakailang distract na ako. So, Justin and I, we were supposed to tour them in this neighborhood. Pero, nung sinabi ko sa kanila na medyo may mini hike and all, parang si JM parang ayaw na niya kasi hindi pala siya mahilig sa mga ganong type of walk. And tapos, imibita lang sana namin si Justin sa isang cafe dito, which is, yun na nga, nandito lang siya sa area. Kaso, bigla ang may gustong mag-treat kay JM sa isang bakery sa Myeongdong. So parang yun na lang yung pinili nila, tapos hindi na kami nakapunta dito. So yun yung story, sayang. Pero looking back, parang medyo walking nga siya masyado. Ang ganda guys, oh, look at that. Pwede kayo mag-rest doon. Tapos, oh my god, hindi ko na naiintindihan nasan tayo, pero so many things going on. Like there's a library, mountain top, Poets Hill, mountain trail. So, ang vote ko, dito na lang sana ako pupunta. Buti, meron ako nakasalubong na Korean na marunong mag-English. Sabi niya, galing siya dito. Tapos buti tumawid siya. Tapos sabi ko, saan pa? Diretso ba o dito? Sabi niya, may mga cafes daw doon sa trail na yon. Pero nandito yung gusto kong puntahan, which is yung parang shelter. Wait, what? Legit ba? Okay. I guess this is the right path. Pero I guess wala namang ano dito. Ayoko na banggitin. Ano ba kasing trip ko? Ba't ko ito ginawa? Pero it's nice. Wait till you see kung saan ako pupunta. Ay, ang cute, may butterfly. Where are we? Hindi man lang niya sinabi kung right or left. Totoo ba itong nakikita ko? Totoo ba to? What? Ah, sarado. Ito na lang, meron akong kasamang butterfly. Napaka-sweet. Nasamahan ako. Hindi na pa yan. Chinat ko na si Justin. And it turns out, I think mali yung nasabi sa akin nung local. Feeling niya ata merong daan here pero wala. So, baka sarado kasi. So, babalik tayo. Kung yung mga information nila, even yung calories na mababurn mo, merong nakalagay. Ang cool! Health trail. And ayan no, may mga calorie count pa sila. Siguro yung mababawas na calorie pag nag-walk ka.
Close eyes till the sun come down. I keep on waiting, waiting. You must have lost my number, answer me now. I'm just waiting, waiting, waiting. I'ma get through to you somehow. See, waiting's got me paying. My head's in a mess, baby. I need the mess.
Life update. Hindi ko pa rin siya mahanap. Gusto ko na umupo. Ayan! Malapit na! Finally guys, we found it! I'm so happy! Malapit na ako mag-doubt eh. Tapos inisip ko itutuloy ko pa or mag-cafe na lang ako. Pero I'm glad na pinilit ko pa din siya. Look! It's here! It's the Inwangsang shelter. Guys, you don't know how happy I am finally reaching this place. I've always wanted to go here. Ang sad lang pumunta mag-isa feeling ko. Kasi hiking siya eh. So parang magpupush siya na, go, go, go! But here we are! This is it. Guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Parang nawala yung pagod ko kasi parang sobrang cozy and relaxing niya. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wow. Sobrang vibe. But you can borrow all of this for free. May mga English content. But this is the book that I bought. It's Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. This one's a self-help book, but I like how it's written. So far, so good. Umalis na yung couple. So, lipat tayo ng pwesto dun sa cozy couch.
I never figured out. It's a big can of worms. Sometimes it hurts to even think about it. We should throw it out. I see you sitting on that couch again, messed up feelings, too scared to just admit. Our house, kept it on the outside.
writing some things sa journal natin. And it's been a while since nagsulat ako sa journal na to. So, yung mga special occasions lang or mga moments na very parang ano sa akin, remarkable days. I think you will love this spot. If you like nature, reading, the road less traveled, the not so touristy place, I think you will love this place, guys. It's very quiet and serene, and this parang trail, nice siya. Stop kayo dyan, pahinga, read a book, and then stop kayo sa next na public library, which is parang nasa kabilang side doon, or porches, cafes, museums. There's a lot in this neighborhood. And as much as I want to visit today, I need to get back kasi this is just our morning activity. Bye guys. Yan, ito pala yung pinababaan ko.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met sooner. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor.
Hey guys, I'm done taking a shower, and today's important agenda, we are gonna pay our bills sa bank. Kasi ang dami kong babayaran sa bank today, may taxes pa ako sa customs and such dahil sa delivery and all. So we're heading to the bank, and medyo complicated kasi yung ibang kailangan gawin. So mas gusto ko na sa banko para mas kaalam ng teller kaysa ako yung gagawa online. And as promised, I'm gonna share with you our utility bills expenses. Bigyan natin ng malaking space habang mag-morning skincare tayo because may gumagamit po ng CR. Kaya dito na ako magsi-skincare while sharing with you our utility bills. Ito na siya. Pinapago ko na lang. Pero guys, sobrang mura. Na-shook ako. Like, magdamag kaming naka-aircon kasi medyo mainit na talaga this time. Like, mga 28 na ganyan, 30-ish na. Generation electricity bill. It means yun yung electricity bill natin for the month. 48,881. Yan po ang ating electricity bill. Grabe, ang mura. Gulat ako. And also, internet charges, we have 12,530. 1 Gbps yung internet ko, guys. Ang mura ng internet ko, tas ang bilis. Tapos, yung tubig, 0. Legit talaga, water bill, ayan, walang nakalagay, oh. Ayan, di ba? Unnecessary disinfection fee, 2,001. Electric power fund, 2,001. Mga ganyan. Yun lang yung mga nakalagay. And then, waste fees. Kapag may food waste kaming tinapon, 480. Kasi I think, yung mga balat ng watermelon, mga prutas, ayan, 481. Household waste commission, syempre magbabayad pag nagtatapon ng basura, 1,281. And then, ang gas natin, very important, 15,961. And I thank you. Ayan po. Tapos, magbabayad na rin ako ng tuition because, guys, finally, na-approve na yung papers ko to study in my dream university. Korean language, here I come. Anyway, I'm doing lang my morning skincare. Nothing has changed since this whole year. This is still my go-to skincare routine. Like, this is my 3rd, 4th bottle. I don't know, guys. Still, these are the products I keep on repurchasing every time I run out. Most toners focus mainly on hydration, but this one is a functional toner. Ito siya. This one is from Standard Soul. Ayan, collagen, PDRN plus Dip Puff. It not only hydrates my skin, but it also tightens the appearance of enlarged pores. So, may mga pores talaga ako dyan. And it reduces the puffiness of my face. So, it's really best in the morning para naman medyo snatched. Ayan, nilalagay ko rin siya sa aking neck. So, if you've ever felt like toners don't do much for your skin, I highly suggest you try this toner, guys. It's really a game changer for me, especially when my skin feels rough, dehydrated, or textured, which is most of the time ganun yung skin ko. Anyway, and this summer, instead of layering multiple skincare makeup on my face, I focus on prepping my skin really well. So, quality over quantity talaga. So, this time around, I just mix my moisturizer and serum in one. It's my favorite gel cream. Mix it with my firming serum. think 2 to 3 drops is okay. So that way, your moisturizer isn't as thick. Then, apply it. This way, guys, you'll really notice that inner glow even after applying your makeup. This technique helps lock in yung moisture, sealing in the hydration, while keeping your tightened pores moisturized and fresh. That's why I really like this technique. And then also, guys, since it's payday, I think they have promo for this tree, like a bundle. 3-piece set for only 1,599 pesos instead of the usual 2,300 plus. So super duper steal price if you really want to try a new skincare routine that focuses not only on hydration, firming your skin. This one has collagen, PDRN, and ito depuffing toner to. So it's really amazing, guys. Especially nung una ko tong na-try, like mapapansin nyo talaga parang nag-tighten or nag-depuff yung face nyo if you have that problem. So make sure to try that. I'll link it in my description box. Share lang naman. May makeup na ako and I'll be back.
Ang lakas ng ulan. Parang kanina umaaraw pa eh. But then biglang bumuhos. Medyo almost zero visibility kanina sa apartment. Tapos ngayon ang lakas ng ulan. Tapos kumukulog ganyan. But still, we need to go to the bank to pay for our tuition and yung mga bills natin. So, let's go.
By the way, this is my outfit. Nag-rain boots tayo today. Let's go to the station. Rainy season begins. I think for the next 2 weeks, maulan. Like sa weather forecast, every day umuulan. So, yung mga morning walk namin every like 7 a.m. Ang lakas na ng ulan. So, lagi lang naka-raincoat si Sandy.
She's like dynamite. When she cries alone again.
It's been a long time since bumalik tayo dito. Ito yung branch ng bank natin. So, kapag may malaki akong isa-settle na bill, of course, I have to go here. Kasi maliit lang yung, di ba, yung with, limit ng mga cards, yung card natin. So, I always have to go to the bank to transfer. Kapag ganyan. Do you remember? So, we done paying 1.9 million won yung tuition for the first level, like first semester. And ganun din yun if you wanna like study here. Parang mga around that price range yung mga tuition fees. All you have to do is like search the school that you like here in Korea. Tapos yung mga nasa website nila lahat. Like very mabilis mag-reply lahat ng schools dito. Like I think mga 10 to 20 minutes makaka-reply sila agad. So you can email them naman. We're gonna ride the bus to Jun's school. Kasi 1 p.m. yung tapos nung exam niya today. And I think we're gonna eat lunch first before I visit my school. Guys, yung cafeteria naman yung pinin ko, pero andito ako sa parang small alley. Oh! Sabi ko talaga yon sa cafeteria. Tama kaya to? Okay, let's go. So far, it's like a 19-minute walk to a very residential and medyo may mga small cafes type of neighborhood. Tapos parang ito na. Ayan. Parang backgate ata ng Yonsei. Ah? Tada! Stairs. Ah, may elevator. Pero nahiya akong sumabay kay Kuya. Stairs na lang ako. Nahiya ako eh. I think this building is their cafeteria. Ang cool, no? Ang ganda ng cafeteria. Okay, let's check it out. This is their cafeteria. But ibang mga maraming floors. Hala, sobrang clueless ko. Hintayin ko na lang si Jun, mga 7 minutes pa siya. Kasi galing siya sa building niya. Cafeteria closes at 2:30, I think. So, 1:12. Okay, waiting lang for June. I think siya na to. Ayun. Naka-blue na pa yung. Labi! Kamusta exam? Tara. General ko. 8,001 guys para sa mga hindi member. Minus 1,001 sa'yo. Okay guys, I think platter siya. Kanya-kanyang kuha. Ang saya! Ayan. And then you get lang yung mga spoon, fork, and all. Okay. Rice, of course. Saan kaya nilalagay yung rice? Doon. And then, kimchi. Nangungopia ako doon sa mga katabi ko sa nilalagay. Ayan guys, may beef. Tapos ano to? Like sunde. Dugo. Parang Betamax nila. Tapos sausage. Try na lang din natin. Guys, first time sa university cafeteria. I'm so happy. 7,000 won, sariling kuha. So technically parang kayo na bahala. It's giving lutong bahay. Done eating guys. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. OMG, lakas. Okay. Yun lang. Nice! Masarap yung food. No? Tapos, grabe pala ang kuhanan. Akala ko ang dami na nung kinuha ko. As in, grabe. Bundok-bundok talaga. Tapos, alam mo yung parang walang judgment. Happy-happy. Kanya-kanya. Kanya-kanyang trip ng mga kuha. Ganun. Tapos, pwede pa bumalik. So, super nice actually. Kung student ka, no? Busog ka.
Ano na? Pang one meal a day.
1 meal a day vibes, no? Okay, we're walking to the bus stop. We're going to a cafe that we discovered. I think a few days ago, kaka-open lang niya. Ang sarap ng coconut matcha, tsaka ng cinnamon roll. So, I'm bringing June. Kasi tapos na yung kanyang midterms. Today, 2 days din yun. Grabe, ang ganda naman ng campus na to. This is the matcha coconut that I've been talking about. Hindi ko sure if you're gonna mix it dapat, pero I like to mix it din. Your cinnamon roll is good as well. Parang for me okay siya. Pasado, ganun. Hindi masyadong nakakaumay. And they have like biscoff, cinnamon roll, and cardamom. Masarap din naman parehas. Guys, literally 4:43, 4:42 yung email. I'm so happy! Your registration for fall intensive program is now complete. I'm enrolled, guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Ang saya ko, natutuwa ko. Two of my most awaited packages just arrived today. So, let's unbox together. First, finally, after years of not having one, bumili na ako ng bagong tumbler. Feeling ko kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang gusto and kailangan. Tada! Look at this. Kasama po siya sa tumbler. As in, may keychain yung tumbler. nagsiscroll lang ako sa Coupang, tapos bigla ako tong nakita. This is the brand Sidagar. Parang ang dami niyang cute talagang designs. Tapos may mga keychain talaga and stuff. And nagulat ako na available siya sa Pilipinas. Or sikat ba tong brand na to? Huli na ba ako sa balita? I don't know, guys. Pero first time ko siyang makita sa Coupang nung naghahanap lang ako ng Tumblr. Guys, I will link this sa description box. Actually, lahat naman ng mga hinahanap ko na sa description box, check nyo na lang. Including kapag nagta-travel guys, yung mga hotels, yung mga tours, ganyan, nililink ko lahat yan. So anyway, next thing is, ito talaga, refresh ako ng refresh ng Coupang. Kasi this is an overseas store. Usually kasi sa Coupang, pag nag-order ka before 12, midnight, makukuha mo ng 7 a.m. Madalas, maraming ganon. Pero ito kasi parang galing pa siyang Japan. So, 2 days din yung hinantay ko. 2 days! Mayroon akong na-realize, journaling this year, nahihirapan ako this year maging consistent. Feeling ko kasi ang dami kong labas, ang daming nangyayari. Like, di ba nag-Vietnam tayo, tapos parang Disney cruise. Parang di nga ako naging consistent. Kasi pag nagta-travel ako usually, or kapag marami akong ganap sa life, guys, nasusulat ko siya sa notes, yung mga thoughts ko, pero hindi ko na siya nare-write. At kapag hindi ako nakasulat doon sa previous day, parang ayoko naman magsulat doon sa latest na day. Gets mo ba yun? Hanggang sa parang, 1 week na yung hindi ko na simulan. Hindi ito. Ang dami ko sinabi, pero mali. Hindi ito yung in-unbox ko. Ikutuloy ko yun later. Hanapin ko yung package, but this one is from Brianna West. Sa lahat ng sikat niya na books, ito yung parang feeling kong mas naglilina kong basahin. 365 days to become the person you truly want to be. Actually, hindi ito yung pinakasikat niya, pero feeling ko, ito yung makaka-relate ako more. Kasi yung pinakasikat niya in Mountain is You ata, is more on if you're self-sabotaging, mga ganyan-ganyan. Found it! Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung guys na galing pang Japan. Okay. Going back to my story, I feel like this year, I'm not as consistent when it comes to all of my journals, which I have a lot. And feeling ko kasi nga ang daming nangyayari, ang dami kong ginagawa, and also may mga trip ako na medyo mahaba. So I got myself this very popular Midori na notebook. Super sikat netong notebook na to because it's cheap but it's high quality. Maganda siyang for common placing. Parang matagal ko na tong iniisip na gagawin ko siya. Pero, hindi ko alam na may term pala for that. Like, naisip ko lang siya as someone who journals. I really want to start a commonplace journal. My commonplace journal. So, basically, yung commonplace journal, from the root word is a commonplace. Parang nandito lahat. Tapos, may legend ka lang na ilalagay. I got this in A6, tapos grid. So, iba-iba naman siya. May line, may dot grid, may dotted, mga kung ano-ano, or plain paper, ganyan. Yung paper niya, different siya from Hobonichi na Tomo River, which I really like. Although, sabi nila, yung paper naman daw ng Midori, maganda din siya for fountain pen. Pag sulat ka, ayun o, nalalay flat din siya. Every now and then, whenever I walk, may random akong maiisip or may random akong ma-encounter, may it be a book or a music or a kung ano man. And I want to write about it, pero hindi ko siya magawa sa journal ko basta-basta. Gets niyo yun? So, feeling ko, this is a lot friendlier, especially if you want to start journaling. Diba? Tapos, undated pa tong notebook na to, which I love. Anytime, anywhere, hindi ako mape-pressure na kailangan daily. Tapos, I also got the plastic cover that comes with it. Si Jun yung nag-introduce sa akin nung notebook na to. Sinend niya sa akin para nakita niya lang na, I think award-winning or something. This is how the notebook looks like. It's really plain. But yun yung beauty niya kasi you get to design it yourself. Excited to set it up. Ito nga pala yung postcard collection. And then yung mga stickers ko nandito lang sa mga, how do you call this? Pili tayo ng stickers that you wanna put here. La, this is cute. Nakalagay first. Because it's my first commonplace journal. This is a really nice set. More stickers. Ang cute! I was thinking ito or ito. What if? Ina-overthink ko pa siya. I-set up muna natin to. This is the self-inking date stamp na nilink ko nung Manila vlog. Ito yung ginagamit natin for the cafe journals. Kung napanood niyo yung PH vlog natin, ito yung gamit ni Nina. So, bumili rin ako for myself.
Makaan ka naman. Pagod na pagod ka. Tulog na si Sandy. Hindi ko pa rin alam anong ilalagay ko sa sticker. Dapat kasi huwag mong i-overthink. Kung ano yung malagay mo, yun na yun. Huwag ka cute, George. Ay, sabi niya, abala. On. Baliktad, babe, sobrang fail. Ba't hindi mo sinabi? Hindi mo naman sinabi. Babe, first page ko to. Bakit baliktad? Nilagyan ko na siya, guys, ng sticker. Para alam ko kung ano yung tamang way.
Feel like a stone in a well. No one can find me here. Pretending it's not it all in, so I can just stay in here. You know I see the worst. It's me who made you run away for good. You left me alone. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I look into a crowd and laugh whoever's looking back. Always got my
Guys, look at this. Tilapia.
like an outlet, never mind my words. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I fall just like ash. I'm too good for my own good. Yeah, I'll be there in a minute, even though it took an hour.
Guys, sabi ko, bibili lang ako sa baba ng watermelon. Pero, ended up spending 34,000 won para sa mga, and also ito, 1,000 won na ice cream scooper, and then 2,000 won na wipes. All because nag-crave ako ng wache, and also may trending ngayon na parang fruit sorbet siya. So, gusto ko siya gawin. Tapos, ayan, hindi ko alam bakit meron ako mga ganito. Salmon, mandu. Parang restock lang just in case gutumin. I present to you my cravings for today's video. Gagawin na natin siya. Actually, hindi pa natin matitikman. Mape-prep pa lang natin. Pero yung wache, ilang vlogs na siyang nakalista sa akin na gagawin ko siya kasi gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. Baka magustuhan nyo. It's a parang summer dessert here in Korea. Or baka alam nyo na siya kasi ginagawa siya ng mga K-pop idols. Sobrang cute ni Sandy! Anyway, hiwain na nga natin yung melon natin. Etong melon, guys, bukas na natin to kainin. I think tatanggalin natin to lahat and then lalagay natin siya sa freezer. Tapos tomorrow natin titikman yung sorbet natin. Something like that. Wala, naalala ko pwede itong maging juice. Or what if gawin kong juice yung isa? Para hindi sayang. Magkano na ba melon sa Pilipinas? Dito, grabe, 10,000 won to. Although malaki naman siya. I-cling wrap na natin siya. Ganun lang kadali. Babalutan lang natin na cling wrap and then ilagay na natin siya sa freezer. Up next! Ang cute, guys. Ang liit ng watermelon na to. Sabi nila, this is called black apple watermelon. Hindi ko alam why. Pero, yun daw sa kanya. Tanggalin ko lang konti yung mga buto-buto. Yung gusto kong gawin is watermelon din yung isa. Okay, lagay lang din natin siya sa freezer. Yung wache, dito nila ginagawa sa mismong watermelon. So, I just have this. Ililink ko lang sa inyo. This is the secret para magbilog yung watermelon. Diba? Look at that. Ay! Pero this is the reason why bilog yung mga watermelon sa wache nila. Okay guys, so this is it. The secret to a delicious wache
is this strawberry milk. So, maglalagay ka. And then, ibabalik mo na yung mga watermelon. And then, you'll put some ice. And just like that, guys. Watch it! Actually, yung iba, aside from strawberry milk, they put Sprite or Chilsong cider. Pero kasi ako, parang dadagdag pa tayo ng soft drinks. Hindi na ako masyado nagsa-soft drinks ngayon, guys. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako ma-soft drinks. Parang bagay yung condensed milk. Oops, tumulo siya. Shit. Never. Guys, look. Gumawa si Jun ng cinnamon rolls for me, as in homemade. Gamit yung air fryer natin. And actually, na-mention ko sa kanya, nagkikrave ako ng cinnamon rolls kagabi. Habang na-night walk kami, sabi ko, ang sarap ng cinnamon roll. Pero syempre guys, kasi hindi naman ako pwedeng araw-araw mag-cafe at mag-cinnamon rolls. He tried making one. Tada! Nagising ako, super sakit ng puson ko, guys. So, hindi ko na namalayan. Nakatulog ako ulit. Pagkagising ko, gawa na! Inspired by the cafe we went to, yung dinala ko siya. Look at that! Sa mga bakers dyan. Approve ba? Ano masasabi mo?
Uy, paano po yung babae?
Hindi ba yung style? Ang masasabi ko ay, yung cream cheese area, parang could be better. Gets mo yun? Like, parang mas mapapalabas niya pa yung mas... Huh? Yun is making my coconut matcha. Done! Today's new recipe! Mas lasa ko yung matcha kaysa sa coconut water. Guys, gumawa na kasi siya nito kahapon. Kaya parang ginajudge lang yung iba-iba niyang trick sa life. Anyway, kain pa tayo. Last ko na muna to for now.